The committee decided to organize a committee on reconciliation, no? Not just for this case, pero for all cases involving congressmen as complainant and as respondent. So dahil this falls into that category, siguro they will include this, no, under the jurisdiction of the subcommittee on reconciliation. So yun. So dahil nag-create ng committee, then they passed on this case to the committee. I guess there will first be an effort to reconcile, no? So nandun sila. Pinangunahan ko na sila. Sinabi ko, there is no reconciliation because this is not a personal grievance. Hindi naman sa akin ang insulto. Ang insulto is to the institution. So yun. We filed this complaint because we want standards of behavior to be established in Congress, no? Like, okay ba maglagay sa website namin ng mga malalaswang litrato? Okay ba insultuhin namin yung kababaihan? Okay ba sabihin namin sa mga kabataan na pag congressman na kayo, para yumaman kayo? Tama ba yun? So if this is something that is acceptable behavior for a congressman, I want the ethics committee to rule on it, no? Because ako tingin ko that is definitely should be not prohibited, di ba? Should be prohibited.